Good morning, student, and welcome to the online math class. And today I have to explain the exercise 13.3. In this video, we have to tell you the question number. So today I have to explain the question number 3. So question number 3 is related with your melting things. Then you have to do this question, or we have to say कि when you have to dig here in this question we have to say कि a 20 meter deep well, आपके पास एक 20 मीटर डीप वेल है with the diameter of 7 meter is dragging, and the earth from dragging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter here. So it will says कि this is your well, okay, and you have to pull the soil in these things, and then you have to create a platform, and that platform in the form of cuboid. That platform in the form of cuboid. So then after you very well know that if you have to pull the soil from this well and then you have to form a platform, so that time it will give the dimension of this well, and here the dimension is height is equal to 20 meter, and also the diameter is 7 meter, and here it will say in this figure it will say that 22 meter height is there, and also the breadth is 14 meter, and you have to find the height of these things. So this is the value it will give here. So in this form you have to know that when you have to digging anything from this well, so that time you have to contain the volume of that well, and then this volume is equal to the volume of this shape, because जो भी सॉइल इसके अंदर होगी उतनी ही सॉइल की तो आप ये बनाएंगे, तो इसका मतलब जो वॉल्यूम इसका होगा दैट वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू दैट शेप वॉल्यूम. ओके, सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई हियर द फॉर्मूला कि जितना भी वॉल्यूम इसका होगा उतना ही वॉल्यूम इसका भी होगा. तो देखिए कैसे करेंगे हम इसके लिए. तो यहां पर आप पहले लिख लीजिए, ये आपके पास क्या है, this is known as a cylinder. So you have to write the dimension of a cylinder. So cylinder dimension you very well know, height is equal to 20 meter and also diameter is equal to 7 meter. So with the help of diameter you have to find the radius. So radius is equal to 7 upon 2 meter, and also beta this is your cuboid. Okay, this is your cuboid, and cuboid have a length. So length is equal to 22 meter, and also breadth is equal to 14 meter, and then you have to find the height here. Okay, so you have to put the volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. So you have to put here the volume of cylinder, the volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, equal to volume of cuboid. So with the help of these things you have to find your answer, and then here you put the value of the height and the radius in the cylinder, and then you have to find here. So your formula is pi r square h. This is the formula of cylinder, and this is the formula of cuboid, L into B into H. Okay, so these two formula you are used here, and put the value and find your answer. So pi is 22 upon 7, r is 7 upon 2, so you have to put 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 because r square is there, and then after h is 20, and equal to value of L is 22 and value of D is 14 into H. Okay, now you have to find the value, and after cutting this 7 with 7 and 2 is cut the value of 20, that's value is 10, and also this 2 cut the 22, and now you have to find the H. So how to find the H? This value is just like 11 into 7 into 10. So this value is 11 into 7 into 10 upon this value is 22. So this value 22 is going in the dividation form. So 22 into 14. Now 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, and 2 is cut the 10. That value is 5. Now you have to get the answer 5 upon 2. That is a value of H 5 upon 2 centimeter. Now finally you have H is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this is your required answer. Okay, so with the help of these things you have to find your answer when you have to drag any type of things from this well and make the cuboid, that type cuboid form, and this is known as a platform here. So that's cuboid form you have to make. Okay, so that time you have to put the volume of this equal to volume of this. Okay, now we have to start our next question to see on a video. Now in the next question, question number 4, a well of a diameter is 3 meter is dragging 14 meter depth. That's mean you also here a well here, and this well you have to drag up to the 14 meter here. मिट्टी को जो सॉइल को आप निकाल रहे हैं वो 14 मीटर तक निकाल रहे हैं, and then after the diameter of the well is you have 3 meter, and this value converted at just like a here the earth taken out of it has been spreading evenly all around it. मतलब इसी के चारों तरफ आपको फैलाना है, and in the shape of a circular ring of the width 4 meter to form an embankment and find the height of embankment. means कि जब आप इसमें से मिट्टी फॉर्म करेंगे तो यही जो वेल है, ये वाला ही जो वेल है, इसी वेल को आप इधर बना लीजिए, तो यही वेल जो है इसके जो अराउंड में है, मतलब चारों तरफ है, इसके चारों तरफ आपको इस टाइप से बनाना है embankment. Okay, so this type of embankment you have to form when the soil is to be dragging from this well, and then you have to create this type of things all around from this well. Okay, so now you very well know this is known as a cylinder also, and this is also be a cylinder, but this is a ring here, cylindrical ring here. Okay, so in this figure you have a diameter, so diameter is equal to, you very well know, 3 meter. So with the help of diameter you have to find the radius. So radius is equal to 3 upon 2 meter, and also this is the height. So height is equal to 14 meter here, and also it will say that the width of this dragging is 4 meter. So dragging width is 4 meter here. So this is the inner diameter is 3. Okay, here the inner diameter is 3, and it is also we take the width of 4 meter here. So total width of this ring you have the outer diameter, as you know that is known as the outer diameter. So outer diameter you have outer diameter you have 3 plus 4 this side and 4 this side. So 4 plus 4, that's mean 8 plus 3, and that is your 11. 8 plus 3 11 centimeter. Now you have to find the radius of the outer. So that's we have to denote here the radius of the outer, that is the R2, that's value is 11 upon 2 centimeter, and the radius of inner, this is your inner radius, that's mean this, or you have to say this, so that is your inner radius. Okay, that's value we have to suppose R1, and also the dragging height is H1 we have to suppose, and you have to find the ring height here. So you have to denote the ring height is with the help of H2. You have to find this H2. Okay, so in this case you also very well know कि when any type of dragging here and you have to make any type of things, that time जो भी सॉइल इसके अंदर से निकली है उसका वॉल्यूम इसके वॉल्यूम के इक्वल होगा जो भी आउटर का आपका पार्ट है. तो देखिए कैसे निकाल लेंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर is equal to, you have to say volume of this ring, volume of ring. Okay, volume of ring. Now you have to put the formula of volume of cylinder, and then after you have to find this answer. How? Volume of cylinder you very well know, pi r1, because the radius is r1, so pi r1 square h1, and also you have to say volume of ring. So that value is also known as a cylindrical form, but this cylinder is just like that. ये सिलेंडर इस टाइप से है आपके पास, जैसे ये हो गया और इधर का बाहर से है. तो ये कैसे निकलेगा? जब अगर ऐसी शेप होती है तो आप कैसे निकालते हैं? पहले इनर की रेडियस और फिर आउटर की रेडियस. आउटर की रेडियस में से इनर की रेडियस को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करा देंगे तो हमारे पास एक पर्टिकुलर रेडियस आ जाएगी और हाइट तो सेम ही रहेगी. तो यू हैव टू राइट हियर जस्ट लाइक पाई r2 square minus r1 square into h. Okay, and that's value h is 2. Okay, so you have to use the ring, volume of ring with the help of this formula. You have to find the volume of ring with the help of this formula, and then you have to get your answer. Pi is cut with pi, and now you have to put the value. R is 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2, and h is equal to 14. And now you have to put the value here. R is equal to 11, so 11 upon 2 whole square minus 3 upon 2 whole square into h2, because we have to find the value of h2 here. Now you have to calculate these things and find your answer, as simple as that. Okay, so how to calculate these things? Just like you have to see here, that's value is 3 3s are 9, so and you have to cut this 7. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 into 7 upon 2. Okay, this value 3 3s are 9 into 7 upon 2, and now this value is converted just like 121, 11 square 121 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 9 upon 4 into h2. Okay, now you have to solve this question here. Okay, this value is 9 7 ja 63 upon 2 is equal to, you have to take the LCM here, so 121 minus 9, so that value is 121 minus 9 upon 4 or into h2. Now this value is going there and this value is going there, then you have to find the h2. So h2 is equal to 63 into 4 upon 2 into this value, subtract it, 121 में से 9 गए तो you get the value 112, तो 112. Okay, and then you have to cut this value and find your answer. So cut it this value with this, so that value is 2, and also you have to cut this value 3 with the help of 3, so 3 2 just 6. No, this value is not cut with the help of 3. You have to cut this value That's value is 63 here. You have to cut this value with the help of 7. Okay, so 7 9 ja 63, 7 1 ja 7, carry 4, 7 6 ja 42. 7 6 ja 42. Now this value is cut, this value 8. Now you get 9 upon 8, and now you have to divide 8 with 9 and get your answer. This value is going there, 1.125 meter. Okay, so with the help of these things you have to find the H2. So that is the value is H2 is equal to 1.125 meter. So now you get your answer. This is your answer. Okay, so with the help of this method you are find your answer. Now we have to explain the next question, that is a question number 5. Here is your 5th question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having the diameter 12 centimeter. That's mean you have a cylinder. Okay, you have a cylinder. This is your cylinder, and in this cylinder this cylinder is filled with the ice. यहाँ आपके पास सिलेंडर किससे भरा हुआ है? That is filled with the ice cream. Okay, that cylinder is filled with the ice cream, and now here the diameter is given. The cylinder diameter is given, that is the 12 centimeter also, and also the height of that cylinder is 15 centimeter. Now it will say that the ice cream is to be filled into the cones. This ice cream is filled into the cone. So that cone is just like that, into the cone. Cone के अंदर आप fill कर रहे हैं, तो that is your cone. Here the height of a cone is given. Height of a cone is 12 centimeter and the diameter is 6. So height of a diameter is 6 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter here. Okay, so height is 12 centimeter and diameter is 6 centimeter here, and then after it will say कि find the number of such cone which can be filled with ice cream. इस ice cream से आप कितने cone fill कर सकते हैं? You have to give that answer. So that's mean the volume of this cylinder equal to the volume of this cylinder with the number of cone. That's mean if we have to suppose कि this cone is n here. Okay, we have to suppose the number of a cone is n here. So we have to write here the number of cones is equal to n. So we have that mean कि this cylinder ice cream is filled the n cones of that dimension. Okay, so that's mean the volume of these things is equal to the volume of these things. You have to write here. So first of all you have to write the cylinder dimension. Okay, you have to write the cylinder dimension here. So cylinder dimension is here the height is equal to 15 centimeter, and also radius is equal to 12 upon 2. That means 6 centimeter, and you very well know cone. That is the shape of a cone, and here the height is equal to 12 centimeter, and also the radius is equal to 6 upon 2 centimeter. So that means 3 centimeter. Now the number of a cone you have n, and you have to find these things. Okay, so here what you have to put here, the volume of this equal to the volume of this. So the volume of cylinder is equal to n into number of cone into volume of cone. Means it will say कि जितना वॉल्यूम इसके अंदर होगा उतने ही कोन के वॉल्यूम की इक्वल ये वैल्यू होगी. Now you have to put the value here. So that's value we have to suppose R1 H1 R1. This value suppose H2 R2. Now you have to put the formula pi R1 square H1 is equal to n into 1 upon 3 pi R2 square H2. Now you have to cut this pi with pi. Now you have to put the value and solve your answer. So how to put the value? R1 is equal to 6. So 6 into H is equal to 15. Now is equal to N into 1 upon 3 into R2 is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 and H2 is equal to 12. Now this value is going there and now this converted just like that. That's value is N. So we have to write here the N because we have to find the value of N here. Now this value is going there. So this value is converted 6 into 6 into 15 and this value is in the form of divide. So this value is converted into multiply and this value going there and converted into divide. So 3 into 12. Now 3 cut this 3 2 just 6 and 6 1 just 6, 6 2 just 12. 2 cut this 2 and now you get the answer. So N is equal to what value you have? 15. 15 is left. So 15 cone is filled with this cylinder. Okay, with this cylinder ice cream 15 cones you are filled. Okay, so now you have to understood how to do this question. Now we have to come on my next question on your screen. Here in this question, how many silver coin 1.7 centimeter is the diameter and also it will say the thickness is 2 millimeter. That's mean okay, silver coin is just like that. Okay, coin is just like that, but here the diameter is given. So diameter is 1.75 centimeter and also it will say the thickness. So thickness is just like that. Okay, so this is your thickness. So this is in the form of a cylinder also, smallest cylinder. So this thickness is here 2 millimeter. Okay, thickness is 2 millimeter and the diameter is 1.75 centimeter and this coin is made with the help of the cuboid. So that cuboid is here. That dimension is given in this question. Dimension is here. That the dimension is 5.5 centimeter and also that dimension is 10 centimeter and also student this dimension is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now with the help of these things it will created here. So you have to find how many coins you are made with after melting this cuboid. So we have to suppose the number of a coin is number of coins. Number is N here. Okay, so with the help of these things you have to find the number of N. How to find the number of N? You have to put the volume of this cuboid equal to the volume of these things. Okay, similar question. So here you very well know the volume of cuboid equal to N into, because the number of a coin is N, so N into volume of cylinder. This is in the form of a cylinder. That's why we have to write here the cylinder. So you have to put the value L into B into H is equal to N into pi R square H and put the value of that things. Here we have to write H1 and H2 because this side is you mention here H2 is equal to 2 millimeter and also this side you have to mention here H1 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Here one thing you have to denote here this is given in the centimeter but this is given in the millimeter, so you have to convert these things into the centimeter. So after divide with 10 this is converted into centimeter. Now you have to put the value. L is 5.5 and B is 10 and H1 is equal to 3.5 here, and now you have to put the next value. That value is N, so you have to put there N into pi 22 upon 7, or either be in the figure if given there 3.5, so you have to put here the 3.14. Okay, then after r is given here, r is the diameter is 1.75. so if the diameter is 1.75, then the radius is this 1.75 upon 2. Okay, and this value is r squared, so you have to put here 1.75 upon 2 also, and into h2. h2 is 2 upon 10. So 2 upon 10. Are you understand how to put this value? Okay, with the help of L, B, H. So you have to put L, B, H, and also N is just like that. Pi is 22 upon 7, and diameter is given there 1.75. So you have to divide with 2. Then it is converted into radius. So you have to put the radius r into r, and then after you have to put the h. That value is 2 upon 10. Now you have to cut and find your answer. So that value is n. So n you have to find. This value is in the divide. So this value converted into multiply. So 5.5 into 10 into 3.5 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 10 upon. This value is in the form of multiply. So this is converted in here. It is as a divide. So 22 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 2, and then you get your answer after calculating these things. Okay, so you have to calculate it after cut 2 by 2, and also you have to reduce this point, and with the help of after reducing 1 and 1, that is a 2 point you have to reduce. So you have to reduce this point, and then 11 2 ja 11 5 ja 55. Now n is equal to converted is just like 11 into 10 into 35 into 7 or into 2 upon into 2 into 10 upon this value 2 into 1.7 into 175, and this 2 cut this 2 also, and also 7 is cut this things. So 7 2 ja 14, carry 3, 7 5 ja 35. Now 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. Okay, and now you have to cut this value and increase here 2 zeros, and then after you have to cut this value. Here we have to write how the value is left. 11 into 10 into 7 and also into 200 upon this value is left only 175. 7 cut this value with the 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35, and after that 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 is cut this value, 5 4 ja 20, 0. So that value is 11 into 2 into 4, and this you have to multiply here. 42 ja 80 into 11. Now n is equal to 880 answer. Okay, so by this way you have to solve this question and find your answer. तो इस टाइप से you have to find all these answer. So today's video is stop here, and if any type of concern related with this question, then you have to ask me in the comment box or directly call me at my number. Okay, thank you for watching this video.